Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel at the intersection where food, travel, and arts meet. Today, we're going to show you how to make kilawin. Kilawin is pork skin salad. It's actually from our hometown, Negros Occidental in the Philippines. This food is like an appetizer. Very easy. Probably you can prepare this in less than an hour. On to the ingredients. Wash this first with baking soda. Pork skin has a bit of a porky smell, so you want to deodorize it with baking soda, and it works very well. We'll just wipe it and then wash it like that. And so after it is wiped with baking soda, we will just rinse it again. Okay, so we need to boil the pork skin for around 30 minutes or 45 until it is fork tender. If you know what's fork tender, it means that the fork will pass through the skin already. The other video from the pumpkin pie showed that to you guys if you want to check out the pumpkin pie. We'll put salt for this. It's like actively brining it, but not too much salt. The pork skin is already tender. If I poke the fork on the pork skin, it should go through, and it should go through easier, right? So we know that it's ready when it's tender everywhere, right? Well, let's take this out. We'll rinse this quickly and we'll slice this, and our side dish should be ready. So this is the boiled skin. It's very, very soft. I can even tear it. Okay, so let's cut this. Small strips. And it's a little bit slimy. Do you know that pork pork skin is filled with collagen. Our skin is naturally made with collagen, and so pork skin is also filled with collagen, so it's good for our joints and skin too. Oh my gosh, I can smell the spices and I can smell the vinegar too. Oh good. I need some beer. The combination of pork, a little bit of fat, and it's gelatinous. The spices is so, so good. If you want something for pulutan, a food with beer, or an appetizer before a big meal or a good meal is good for you.